Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change your voice in a video using the CapCut voice effect. So here I've already imported a clip. Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So this video contains my voice, and if you want to switch your character by changing your voice in a video, you can just click on your video that you imported to CapCut and then swipe through the menu at the bottom until you find the voice effect option. Okay, so here there will be lots of options that you can choose. If you want to make your voice sound deeper, you can use the deep here.
Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel.
And you can also adjust the pitch and also the timbre, like that. And if you want to, I'm going to just use, for example, I'm going to be sound like Jessie, so click on the Jessie. Okay, just wait until it apply to your voice. Okay, this one is Jessie.
Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel.
Or Trickster. There is also Bestie. You can also turn your voice into a chipmunk, robot, and other options that you can choose. So you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best, or that you love the best. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.